If you have spent weeks trying to build an online course and ended up with nothing but headaches and half-written notes, you are probably close to installing a second brain. Hero Commanders claims to fix all that without hiring expensive designers or copywriters. Let's see if this thing actually delivers, or if it is another tool that looks great but performs like a potato. Hey, Kamal from testedapps.com here. 6 years of testing tools that promise to automate everything, including your coffee machine. Some deliver, some crash harder than my old laptop hosting NASA-level Chrome tops. Today, I am giving you the real, no-fluff review of Hero Commanders. And yes, if you grab Hero Commanders through my link below, you unlock some exclusive bonuses that stack perfectly with this system. Details in the description. Hero Commanders is a digital course creation ecosystem for creators, beginners, coaches, and anyone building or selling online learning products. It packs over 3,000 AI prompts, 50 done-for-you video courses, and 75 premium PLR eBooks. The main promise is simple. Create full online courses in a few hours instead of a few months, without tech skills or fancy software. 3 simple steps. Step 1, you open the worksheets and pick the prompts you need. It's easier than choosing a Netflix show. No overwhelm, everything is labeled. Step 2, paste the prompt into ChatGPT. No PhD required. The AI does the heavy lifting. Outlines, lessons, scripts, marketing, emails, social content. It's like hiring a professional team, minus the invoice. Step 3, customize and launch. You end up with a ready-to-sell course, plus digital products you can rebrand and bundle. It's the closest thing to pressing a profit button without the FBI getting suspicious. Here's what truly moves the needle. First, the prompt library saves insane amounts of time. You avoid research, writing, and planning. The AI generates full structures that actually make sense. No more staring at the screen like it's judging your life decisions. Second, the 50 DFY video courses. These are fully voiced, editable, and ready to sell. You can use them in your own academy, client projects, or membership programs. Third, the 75 premium ebooks. Great for bonuses, lead magnets, or low-ticket funnels. You get instant authority, even if you cannot write a paragraph without crying into your coffee. And finally, full PLR rights. Rebrand everything, sell everything, keep all profits, build an entire digital store without starting from scratch. The front-end price is shockingly low. You get the Hero Commanders main pack for around the price of a fancy snack. Meanwhile, hiring a course designer can cost $3,000 to $10,000. Even PLR bundles alone sell for $97 to $297. Here, you pay once and own everything for life. Okay, let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Optional upgrades that expand what you can do. OTO 1, Hero Commanders Pro. You get thousands more prompts plus extra DFI digital learning content. Ideal if you want more niches or plan to build multiple courses fast. OTO 2, Chef Max AI. Built for the food and recipe niche. Huge video and prompt library. Only get this if you want to enter cooking, lifestyle, or recipe content. OTO 3, Motivation Video Collection. Hundreds of motivational videos ready for YouTube or course bonuses. OTO 4, Canva Planner Templates. Over 7,500 templates you can resell. Great for Etsy sellers or productivity coaches. OTO 5, PLR Mega Library. Hundreds of ebooks and audiobooks for bundling or reselling. The rest of the funnel includes cinematic videos and massive content packs. These are great for scaling digital products, but not required for beginners. I tested Hero Commanders with a course idea I had been delaying for months. The prompt system pumped out a 9-module outline in 2 minutes. Then it generated lessons, student exercises, sales copy, and even email funnels. My workflow normally takes days, but this felt like plugging my grain into a speed boost. The DFY courses were clean and the ebooks were easy to rebrand. Everything worked smoothly with ChatGPT. Hero Commanders is not some magic software that makes money while you sleep without doing anything. You still need to customize content, upload it, and sell it. If you want push-button riches, this is not it. If you are allergic to copy-paste, this is not it. And if you never plan to create or sell digital content, you will not gain much here. Imagine finally launching that course you've been planning for months. Imagine having full digital products ready to sell in a day instead of sweating over documents for weeks. That is what Hero Commanders unlocks. It compresses months of work into hours. It gives beginners a real chance and gives experts a massive productivity boost. Link below. The launch pricing will not stay this low. Questions? Drop them in the comments. If this review helped you, hit like and subscribe for more no-nonsense reviews. Kamal from testedapps.com. See you in the next one.